Hey everyone, okay, today you joined me doing something really friggin' dumb in my bathroom. This is something I've really wanted to do, and do not try this at home. No, do not do it. I'm an idiot. Don't follow me. Um, I have ever since I started dyeing yarn, I've wanted to do it on my hair. And this is so stupid. Do not do this at home. So today I'm going to try out doing it on my hair. And the two colours I'm going to use are plum, which is like a hot pink, like really dark, yummy pink, and clematis. And I'm only going to do it on the ends of my hair. And unfortunately I've got really short hair, so I don't know how this is going to go. We're going to do it on the ends. Bought a hairdryer because obviously anyone that dyes yarn knows you have to add heat to set it. So we've got a hairdryer to add heat and some express repair conditioner for when it's all screwed up and I need to fix my hair. Because this has citric acid in it, so it's going to dry the crap out of my hair. That's why we're only doing it on the ends. So that's what we're going to do today. Yay! Next thing, I have an old towel. I may need more than one old towel, but here we are. Some foil to wrap the hair in because we don't want dye down our necks, do we? And some old cups. These ones I use for dyeing already. They're made of that melamine stuff. That's it clean, by the way. It's been cleaned. That's why they're not used for drinking. You cannot clean them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put, what is this? Half a teaspoon of each dye in them and just mix them with cold water. You can mix them with, well, we could mix it with warm water if the warm water feels like working. Yeah, this is plum. Keep a good stir. Yes, that's my bathtub, which is probably... Molly, what are you doing? She's trying to steal toilet rolls. Okay, it is now warm and mixed. Let's do the other one. This one is clematis. It's kind of a bluey, purpley colour. It comes out much more blue than purple when you put it on yarn. Let's see how it comes out on people's hair. Yeah. I have wanted to do this for about 5 years. I should probably have done it when I had longer hair, to be honest, but oh well. Here we are, better late than never. Splashing dye on our kitchen counters. My husband is literally going to kill me when he comes home, just so you know. Okay, I've been going through my hair. I'm going to take my glasses off. Put them over there. They're expensive. Please excuse the bags under my eyes. I've been trying to, in my head, go through the best way of getting it from the cup to my hair. What am I doing? I come to the conclusion that dipping my hair in is probably going to be the easiest way. Let me get a hank here. This is a hank of my hair and not a hank of yarn, everybody. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Don't do this at home, for God's sake. Oh, it's dripping. Yeah, this is what I wanted the foil for, so you could wrap it in the foil to keep it warm. So. Let's do that. missed my calling. You see that? I've missed my calling as a hairdresser. Look at that professionally folded. Isn't that wonderful? See, I do actually have a comb for this. I just grabbed some hair. I'm an idiot. Okay. What am I doing? I keep laughing at myself. Let's try the other colour now. I'm having to use the camera to see if I've actually dipped it. Do you think it matters that there's a bit of pink on the foil I just wrapped into my hair? Styling. Okay. Let me do more foil. I'm making an awful lot of mess, but if this works, I'm going to be so happy. My hairdresser will not be happy. Let's just make that very clear. I'm sorry, Seuss, if you ever see this. I suppose you could spray it on, couldn't you? And get like a really cool mottled effect. Then you'd probably have to wrap your whole head in foil. Who wants to do that? Okay, bro, stop clicking. Oh my god. It's a good job we have the towel. We might make a mess otherwise. I'm rapidly running out of hair because I don't have very much hair. And I have an awful lot of dye. I'm going to have to find some actual yarn to put this on a bit later. Although I suppose, should we see what happens if I dip the comb in? And then do that. Let's see, put streaks. Oh dear, look at that. Can you see the streak on my hair? It's not showing up very well on camera. Let me try with the pink. Oh, let's use the bit that's closer together. I look like an absolute idiot. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can even see it. Now I look like an idiot. Let's heat set it before I... Okay, let's, yeah, these are hot, so. Holy blue, man. Did I have a third one? No, I got one, didn't I? Okay, now I'm just gonna rinse this a little bit. I don't have a shower head thing, so I'm literally gonna have to stick my head in the sink right now. Look at that! How cool is that, by the way? Okay, let me dry it real quick and then we'll see how it looks. Has anyone ever seen The Tribe? I look like a member of The Tribe right now. It's a very old Australian TV show. Okay, let me just dry it and come back. Okay, look how cool it is. Oh my god, I'm deceased at the moment. So, put my glasses on because I look like a mole. I'm still wearing my gloves, by the way, because I have to do clean up here. So, the very top bits where we were putting the comb through a tiny bit, kind of tiny bit did work, but yeah, this dipping thing went way better, as you can see. I did use some of this because it was kind of dry on my hair. So, the answer to the question, can you dye your hair with wool dyes, is yes, yes you can. Should you? Probably not. Don't copy me, but look how cool it is. Okay, see you all on Friday. Bye.